We're in Petrin Hill. So this area is overlooking the city of Prague. Ah, ito pala. Ayan, oh. I'm just getting the English translation for reference. But dito in this site, you see, no, mga rocks, no, mga walkways, trees, no. So it's a hills. Okay. Ayan, sige, saan kami? So, yan, ang ganda, no? If you want to slow down, no, sa yung tourist na pasyalan mo, this is the place to be. We had a 30 minutes na break sa Lakwatsa namin. Yan yung mga trees, oh. Ganda. Yung walls niya, walled din pala to, no? Old na mga parang fortress. You know naman, for centuries, no, yung two warring religions, yung Islam at saka Christianity, this area is strongly Christian. Kasama na yung Austria, Hungary. Tapos you go down naman, pagdating mo doon sa mga area ng mga Balkans, these are frontier areas na nearby doon sa Ottoman Empire. No? Today is our last day, no, dito sa Prague. We have very nice na touristy talaga siya, no? Affordable naman. Except siguro yung plane fare from the Philippines, but yung dito okay naman siya, no, compared sa other. Of course Vienna is expensive, but here, no, okay naman. We'll go here. This is overlooking the city of Prague. Ang ganda ng view here, no, very nice. Fresh air also. Let us see. Very nice. Hindi dito yung mga just to watch yung city. Tingnan natin here. Very nice. Malalim siguro masyado to. Oh, it's nandun din yung mga bridges ng, I think it's Danube River. Very scenic yung view. You have fresh air also. A lot of tourists here. Skating. A very nice na choice. You want to. Oh, may mga Pilipinos pa dito. Oh, Kabayan. Nandito pala kay Kabayan.
Ay, Kabayan.
Tumitingin kayo? Ang ganda pala masyado.